This is how you adjust your actuator. For video purposes, I painted the mark on the pulley and the mark on the housing in white. So right now you are not adjusted at all. This is fully down and in the two-wheel drive position. First step is to shift into four-wheel drive. If it won't go into four-wheel drive, rotate your wheels a little bit until it pops into four-wheel drive. Next step is going to be to pull this up and start to unscrew this part. You can see as I unscrew this, the pulley rotates and the notches get closer to lining up. If it starts to get hard at all or during this process, it would just be good to rotate the wheels a little bit to make sure that the gears inside the differential are sliding together in the four-wheel drive position. Keep rotating this until these two lines line up. The camera angle makes it look like they're not lined up. When I look straight on, that is actually lined up straight on. So now that those are lined up and I know I'm good in the four-wheel drive position, I can back this up, tighten this against here so it can't move, pull this cover back down. Then you can test again, go into two-wheel drive, and these wheels spin freely. Go to four-wheel drive, and now everything spins. I'm good. And diff lock, it's not going into diff lock, so I rotate the wheels to get the gears inside the differential to line up. And then it pops into diff lock and everything looks good. That's adjusted the proper way.